So today we're going to take a look at a new article. And the article is called Touching a Mammoth. Would you just very quietly give me a thumbs up if you've heard of a mammoth before? Excellent. Okay, hands down. So this is a picture of a mammoth. If you haven't heard of a mammoth before, it's a prehistoric animal. It looked a lot like an elephant, but it was brown and shaggy with hair and it had tusks. So our article will be about a mammoth. Our learning target is to closely read this article, Touching a Mammoth, by identifying some new vocabulary words and understanding how those words work in the article, Touching a Mammoth. So we're going to look at 4 words that you really have to know in order to read this article. The first word is excavate. What word?
Excavate.
Excavate is a verb. And the definition is to uncover something by digging away and removing what covers it, to make a hole by removing the inner part. The synonym, and remember a synonym is a word that means the same thing. A synonym for excavate is to uncover. So if I say you're going to excavate it, you are going to uncover it. So let's see. If I were in a bulldozer, I was going to dig a giant hole so I could build the basement of a house, I would excavate the ground. So I would do what to the ground? I would excavate it. Good. If I was going to bury a pipe in my yard, I would have to do this to the ground. I would have to excavate. Exactly. And if I went to the dump and I went digging through all the trash to find scrap metal, I would have to excavate the trash. Exactly. If I went digging for buried treasure, I would have to excavate that dirt. Good. Would you turn to the person next to you? And you are going to finish the sentence. I could excavate. Ready? Set, go.
I could excavate my dad's chair.
Did you come up with a sentence?
I could excavate my mother's shoulders.
You're going to dig them out? Excellent. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Your eyes are on me. Great job. Our next word that we are going to look at is the word fragile. What word?
Fragile.
Fragile is an
adjective.
Would you read the definition with me this time?
Easily broken, shattered, or damaged, delicate or brittle.
A synonym for fragile is
Breakable.
So let's see. If I had a glass vase that I had to protect because I knew it would break, the vase is very fragile. And if I had an egg, eggs break really easily. I'd hold it really, really carefully because an egg is
fragile.
Exactly. And my great-grandmother collected teacups, antique teacups. We kept them behind glass because we didn't want anybody to touch them. The teacups were very
fragile.
You got it. Would you turn to the person next to you in just a moment and list as many fragile things that could break, that you can? Go. You wouldn't drop your phone. And even with the screen protector, it's kind of fragile still. Yeah. Anything else in your house that you can think of that would be fragile? A vase? Glass plates. Yeah, you don't always drop And 1. Okay, think in your mind of all those great things that you just thought of that were fragile. You're going to choose one for a whip around. Think, don't say it. Something that is fragile. We're going to go fast, so have it in your mind. Okay, here we go. We're going to start way over here. Something fragile.
A window.
Like a glass cup.
Something fragile.
A juice bottle.
Ice sculpture. Ice sculpture.
Ice sculpture, okay.
Balloons. Glasses. Mason jar. Cheese.
Cheese is not fragile. Can you think of something that's fragile? Something breakable, okay?
A baby.
Oh, a baby's fragile. Be very careful with them, yeah.
Oh, Rudolph. What?
Something that's fragile that can break.
Her leg is paralyzed, so.
So you have to be careful. Okay.
Glasses.
Yep.
They are cameras.
Okay.
Eyes on screen.
Okay.
Oh, like, a computer. A chicken's egg. A violin. Light bulb.
Light bulbs.
Clock.
Okay. So eyes are on me. There's a lot of different things out there that are fragile. We'll see some in our article. The next word is deposit. The word is deposit. Deposit is a verb. Definition with me. To deposit is to put or set down something or someone in a certain place. A synonym for deposit is to set down. So I can deposit a book on the table. I take it and I set it down. When I come in, I often will deposit my coat on my chair. I put it down on the chair. If I put my lunch tray on the table, I deposit it. Yeah. When I put money into my bank account, I deposit it. Exactly. Would you all take your pencil in your hand, please? Would you deposit your pencil on the floor? Oh, now I'm noticing something. Some of you dropped your pencil. Dropping something or tossing something is not depositing it. Placing it or setting it down is. So would you pick up your pencil? Get ready? Would you please deposit your pencil on the floor? Yes, you're going to place it down. Very nice. Would you please now deposit your pencil on your desk? Very nice. Okay, and your pencils are down. Excellent. We have one more word. And eyes are on me. That word is transport. What word? Transport. Transport is a verb. Would you read the definition?
To take or carry people or goods from one place to another.
A synonym for transport is to move. Very nice. So, when a moving truck comes to move furniture from one house to another, it transports the furniture. So what does it do? It transports the furniture. Hands down. A bus can move a large number of people from place to place. The bus will transport the people. Good. A dump truck full of dirt is going to transport the dirt, move it from place to place. Would you turn to your partner and come up with a sentence with the word transport in it?
My car my bus was transported my house. My dad transported my wedding ring to my mom's finger. I was transported to the train station. I will transport you to
on vacation, that would work too.
Yeah.
A plane and a car would work. What else would you
Yeah, but what? But I'm going to transport myself
to the car? Is there something else?
I will transport myself to
Me too. And one. So I feel like you did a great job with those 4 words. So I'm going to put all 4 of them up here. So excavate, fragile, deposit, and transport. I'm going to read a sentence. And you're going to think about which word goes with the sentence that I read. and you're going to show me the number of the word on your desk. So let me show you. If I said that the egg was very breakable, it was fragile. So you wouldn't say it. You'd say, oh, fragile is word number 2. And you would just take and put 2 fingers on your desk. I don't want you to hold them up. Just very quietly put the 2 fingers on your desk. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. First sentence. A bus can move a large number of people from place to place. So can an airplane. An airplane will... So don't say it. Show me the number on your desk. Your hands are down. Nice. An airplane would transport those people. Let's see. Oh, I had to wrap a mirror in lots of soft cloths because it was very... Show me on your desk.
Would you post something to that?
The mirror had to be wrapped in soft cloths because it was very... Excellent. It was very fragile. Okay. In order to get to the buried dinosaur bones, we had to do this to the earth that covered them. Show me on your desk. Which word? Which word is it? Yes, we had to excavate them. Okay, last time when I placed the bags of groceries on the table, I did this. I didn't just throw them on the table. What did I do? I placed them on the table. I'm going to... Nice. I'm going to deposit them. Very good. So, we are going to do a little activity in a group now on these 4 words. I need your eyes on me. So you're going to, in your group, get a paper that looks like this. This is a Frayer model. Each group is going to have one of these words in the middle. So this group is going to have the word deposit. Bless you. And then there are 4 boxes. In this box, you're going to remember the definition that goes with your word. In this box, it says, what does it look like? You can draw a little picture of what it looks like. And then examples of that word and non-examples. Remember, non-examples are things that are not that word, the opposites. You're only going to have a short time to do this. So you're going to whisper with your group and you're going to get it done as quickly as you can. I would like my first group, actually, please all move to your feet. You're in charge of the word excavate. There you are. Would you hand those out? Okay, so is this group all set with your clipboard? Yep. Nice job. So what is the first thing you're going to do? You're going to write your definition. Definition. Do you remember the definition?
Put it down. Put it down.
To place it down, put it down softly. Any of those would be fine. So we want to make sure that everybody hears that. Dig under.
Get a clipboard.
Okay.
For example, to dig treasure. Examples to dig a house.
What is the definition? To move. Okay. So you're writing that in?
Like someone do something. Wait, what?
And then you're going to draw a picture of what that would look like. What are some examples of pictures you could draw there?
Airplane.
Car, airplane, and those ones. Great. I'm going to come back and check on your examples in just a minute. chair now. To dig something up. Yeah, to uncover it.
Non-example is to
Put the dirt back in the hole.
That's a great non-example. That's really the opposite. Isn't it?
bury something. Bury something.
No, to bury something would be putting something
To bury something that would be covered up, right? Yeah. So that's a great opposite.
What does it look like?
Can you draw a quick picture of what it would look like to
Build a
excavate
good
something?
a little stick man with a shovel in a hole.
That would be a great way to So you have to be very gentle.
How about we all do something different?
Go on to your examples and non-example time. You can come back to your pictures in a minute. See if you can get 2 examples and 2 non-examples down.
Putting the dog down on a couch.
He's not transporting, it's leaving him there. I like that. That would be a good non-example. I'd like you to wrap that up. Make sure you have 2 examples and 2 non-examples. Do we have our examples and non-examples here? Oh, perfect. So what was the one non-example you came up so far?
I did drop.
That is not depositing it, throwing some
I did dropping it, throwing it, kicking it, and swinging it.
Perfect. Good, and I see you have some examples there of placing things down. Great. You're going to write down your non-examples real quick? Okay. Terrific. Check with your group. Yeah. You're finishing up your drawing. Great, about 15 seconds. Wrap up what you're writing or drawing.